Okay, guys, you are in the ACT questions. So today it's March 23rd, 2014. So this is the ACT questions of the day. This is a math questions. So they ask us to simplify these questions, these expressions. We're gonna do this together. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, here's the problem. So it's about simplifications. We got these expressions, which is 2x squared plus 14x plus 24 over x plus 4. So we need to simplify and in order to choose the correct answer. So as we can see in the numerator, there is a common factor which is 2. We can put 2 in factor here since 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 12 is 24. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna just put 2 in factor. Okay? So when we put 2 in factor, 2 factor, this is the common factor. So we have this expression which is x squared plus 7x plus 12. That's the first step. So the second step, now we're gonna work with this on this expression only. We're gonna try to break it in two part. Okay, we're gonna work only with these expressions. Let's go to another page in order to try to break this expression in two part. After that, we will try to simplify. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here's what we found. This is the expressions that we're gonna work with. By the way, it is x squared. Okay, x squared plus 7x plus 12. We're gonna try to write this in another way, but most of the time they say there is a formula that we can try if it's possible. This is quick. It is like that. If we can have like x squared, uh, let's say plus sx, that the sum, sx plus p, which is the product. If any expressions can be with s is the sum, x, excuse me, sx plus p, which is the product. If we can find two number, when such as we have a plus b, a plus b, give me x, give me s, x, and the product a times b give me p. So here's what we say. If we can have this one like a x squared plus the sum, that's mean if we can a plus b, that the sum a plus b, we are trying to find the number b, a plus b x, right, plus the product which is a times b. If we can find those two numbers, if it's possible, it's not always possible. If it's possible, they say we can write this expression like x plus a, it's gonna be x plus a times x plus b. Okay, that's the way we do it if it's possible. Okay, let's say if it's possible. In this case, the s, the a plus b, in this case what we call the sum, that means in this case, excuse me, in this case the a plus b, which is the sum, should be 7, right? And the a times b, which is p, should be 12. If it's possible to find two numbers such as we have the sum equals 7, that means the sum such as the sum a plus b equal 7, and then a times b equal 12. Can we find this number? If we can find those two numbers, if it's possible, we will write this expression like x plus a times x plus b. If we can find two, two number, let's say, if we can find them. For me, it's easy since I know 4 plus 3 equals 7 and 4 times 3 equals 12. You see? So it's 4 and 7. It's 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, right, equals 7, and 4 times 3 equals 12. So those numbers I can say in these situations, A equal 4 and B equal 3. Every time that is possible, okay, we're gonna write it like x plus a, x plus 4 times x plus 3. Okay, so this is a technique to when you have an expressions, you want to write it in a way we have that in a product. Okay, you want to write it such as you have product of two other expressions. Always check out if there if you can find a sum and a product. Okay, so every time you have x squared plus sx plus p, this remember this expression should be in this way: x squared plus sx plus p. Try to see if you can find two numbers such as you have the sum and the product. If you can find those numbers, you're just gonna write it this way. That's so that which mean now our expressions, which is x squared plus 7x, right, plus 12, right, now can be, we can write it in this new form, which is x plus 4 times x plus 3. Okay, so if you want to make the verification, try to see. We're gonna have like x squared here, we're gonna have like 3x here, we're gonna have like 4x here. 4x plus 3x gonna give me 7x, and 4 times 3 gonna give me 12. So we're still gonna have this one. Okay, so let's go back. So now remember we were here, so now this is gonna be 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 3, right? Since we were working with this expression, the numerator, so that's what we got now, and over x plus 4. Okay, now it's easy since we have x plus 4 common factor in numerator and denominator, so we can simplify. We make the simplifications, so we end up with 2 times x plus 3, which is the answer. Okay, so now the answer is C. Okay, so remember the formula: every time you have x square, right, plus s, this is the sum, sx plus p. Every time you got an expression like this, if you want to do a factorizations, try if you can find two number, and such as you have the sum equal s and the product equal p. Every time you can do that, you're just gonna say this expression. If you find it, you're gonna say it's gonna be x plus A times x plus b. Okay, that's an easy way for factorizations of these kind of expressions. Okay, remember. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you like such video, just subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you for watching.